guys, it's me, Alyssa Plays, and today we are here with my little baby cracked egg buddy. We are going on super mega fun adventures. So this video was inspired by Megan Plays. Anyway, let's get on to the video. Alright, so we are at the house officially going to put Buddy into his bed. Oh no, I accidentally pressed hatch now. This person said hola to me, but I could hatch it now, but I don't want to. This person said hola to me, but I didn't respond because I was making this video. I'm so sorry. So I don't have that much money because I'm just scrolling through to see what I have because I have 50 Robux. I could buy books to get more pets and stuff with the thing, but I actually didn't want to, so let's just get going along. Alright, come on. Stop. Just close that out and then we'll put Buddy into his bed. Yeah. Alright. So this is a really big journey for Buddy because Buddy has never been hatched before, so he's probably like, oh my gosh, my owner is actually carrying me everywhere. Alright, Buddy just asked me if he could take a shower. He's a very dirty boy, so we'll take Buddy. We'll take him upstairs to our upstairs bathroom, and we will put Buddy into his bath. I said Betty. And then after, we will dry him off. Alright, so now that it's morning, me and Buddy will go on the super fun adventure. I said he wants to go to the hot springs. Buddy, you are so spoiled, Buddy. Well, you're lucky I want to hatch you. So, Buddy, let's talk about how you got bought. Like, I just bought you, and you're so cute, Buddy. So let's just go to the hot spring, and then we'll make a Buddy war. Alright, so we are here at the hot spring. Need to just park our car. Alright, let's go. Let's get little Buddy out of his car seat. And we are just chilling on this rock so he can I was looking for floaties, but I don't have any floaties to hold both of us, so I need to cash that out. Alright, so he's almost finished with the hot spring, and he's almost unhatched. Oh, I'm so excited. Hopefully I get something good, but he's just a cracked egg. To get some, it's not really like common to get ultra rare stuff or quote unquote legendaries. Well, you can get legendaries. Legendaries are a thing, but I doubt you can get any from the cracked eggs. There is like a 0.1% that you could get one. It's that bad. So like we are going to the playground just to have fun. Wait, I think if he asks for one more thing, then we will see what he is. What animal he's gonna be. Little cracked egg Buddy. Oh my god, he said that he's hungry. This might be it. Alright, so you little Buddy, you are gonna get unhatched and see what you are. I'm gonna feed you some popcorn. Popcorn is really good, especially when you put butter on it. Alright, let's see. Oh, what is it? 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 Oh my gosh, it's a little snow cat. It's so adorable. I'm gonna name you Buddy. Hey guys, so I had so much fun unhatching this pet. I hope you had fun too. See you in the next video.